2 Midland schools are being recognized for their efforts in advocating for teens' mental health and substance abuse prevention. This morning, the Lexington Richland Alcohol and Drug Abuse Council held a youth leadership summit at the Lexington District 2 Performing Arts Center. Officials say that these kids are working their tails off to help promote clean and healthy living to their peers.
If one person could stand up and have the courage and the confidence to tell the truth and express their feelings, then it becomes like a chain reaction of courage, confidence, and compassion, and it gives other people that confidence to stand up and tell their truth.
Today's keynote speaker, as you just heard right there, was Jared Scott, a nationally renowned speaker and youth mental health advocate.
Dean. I'm a project coordinator with LRADAC, and we had Jared today at our Youth Leadership Summit. This is such an impactful event for our kids that they look forward to every single year. Jared was amazing at talking to our students. He centralized them in the equation, and he empowered a student body that is often left out. So this was really incredible. They enjoyed it. He was engaging. They were up out of their seats, back down, listening the entire time, which is something to be said for a group of 200 plus middle and high school students. Absolutely recommend at any event.